Listen, tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Mama and Papa will go to celebrate Valentine's Day outside, and you will be with Dadi at home. Okay? Is that a problem?
मम्मा का है
Huh?
मम्मा का है
You will find me? How will you say Mama ka hai, Mama ka hai? Listen, Jashu, this is final. Tomorrow, Papa and Mama will go without you, and you will stay at home with Dadi. Okay?
oh Mariana
Why? Mama and Papa need some time together without you. Okay? You can be with Dadi at home. Can you?
नहीं
Why not?
काटी बंद कर दा
You can sing with Dadi. You can do your activities with Dadi. What say? So is that a deal? You're staying at home, and Mama Papa will go out.